severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:30 p.m. for Davis and northern McLean counties. At 9:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over St. Joseph, or 10 miles north of Calhoun, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Owensboro, Rockport, Calhoun, Whitesville, Masonville, Stanley, Knoxville, St. Joseph, Beech Grove, Mosleyville, and Pleasant Ridge. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky, Davis, and McLean. The tornado warning for north